No comment.
Doc Watson.
Just a battle of the pushing wheel at the end. Oh, look at that. Oh, a little bit of wheel weight. A little bit of rub and brake with the interlock. Oh, look at that. It's stuck together. Oh, that's phenomenal. Oh, a bit of backwards fix is that. Yep, there you go, boys. Oh, this is the next one. Oh, that is phenomenal. Now, who's the black? Is that yours, Mel? Yep, all right.
Yeah.
Oh, we've got one over on the inside, one over down here. Oh, it's Doc again. Welcome to our day, Doc. It's going to be like that. Long and upside down.
Oh, man.
Oh, we've got one on the corner, one on the sweeper. Oh, here we go. We've got the four-wheel drive comedy car in the lead. He's off with his bubblegum tyres and his hot shot. The young India, 3 years speed. Up over the double. Is he going to double it? Go on, go on. Yeah. Oh, this is crazy well. That's no good. Now I reckon you're up to the double. I reckon you can do it, brother. Come on. Go on, Mal. You can do it. You've got plenty of horsepower. Yeah. Did we get there?
He got there, but
not quite.
didn't quite land it.
Oh. There is a little bit of a weight distributional issue with the jumping of the said wheelie cars, to be fair, but that's okay.
Mal Walters.
There we go, right, so it's Jordan at house, Mal's in second, Jason's in third, Mark in fourth, Ash fifth, Doc in sixth, Graham in seventh. The Clodbuster's just going to run over you guys. He's like the discipline maker. So he's going to be the discipline man. If you get him, yeah, he's going to... It almost looked like a kangaroo coming out, wouldn't it? Like he runs over the little car. Youngie just picks it in here, he's put the power on 2 speed. Holy, that short wheelbase and balloon tyres escape up the go. Into the hairpin. Oh, too much brake. Here we go.
Yeah.
Look, Clodbuster's big on the brakes there. See, just put down all 4-wheel steering. Here it comes, up over the jump, over the new duck jump face. Through the extend. Over the next jump. And you can get here.
Seven.
Alright, here we go. It's first, oh no, it's the lunch boxes. Oh, the pumpkins down the back straight. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, Ash gets on the power. Oh, he gets on the wall. I thought he was going to do a wall ride right round him, but no, it just tipped over on the tip you do there. So this is a genuine pumpkin. This is not a re-re, so it's still got the, I think it's still got the Ford on the tailgate and into the plastic, which is pretty cool to see. Not too many of these things left now.
Yeah.
Great class, the wheelie class. Encourage everyone to waste more money and buy a wheelie car from either me or Dave. It's cheap enough. And frankly, we've got holidays to pay for, so come on you blokes, keep your wallets out, me and Dave need to go on holiday, you want to get a wheelie car. We need double the price of the beer and we'll give you a hell of a deal. Oh, here we go, the hot shot's upside down again. Oh, really on, here we go, straight up the inside the pumpkin. Oh, bit of wheel-to-wheel contact there, a little bit of midget racing, tipped into the front wheel, turns him around. Oh, let's go on here, the shiny chrome, mate. Everyone's got sunglasses when you're marshalling the old chrome pumpkin. Oh, up the hill on a wheelie. Looks like the old street outlaws. Oh, there's some defensive blocking going on here. You're allowed to change line. Oh, he clips him on the way through. Gets him with that wide Tamiya bumper. Didn't expect that. Thought he cleared him, but... Oh, hot shots in the middle. Oh, he tries the big swoop in and just drills the orange. That's no good. He's letting them both through. That's what happens to Kyle Bush in the block. You just get punctured.
Seven laps 4.9 results.
009, like he's got robbed the lap by 0.05 of a second, avoiding the lunchbox.
Speed done with a 6 laps 505.1 results. Quick dash done with a 6 laps 510.7 results. Second top Watson done with a 7 lap 523.1 results.
Just make sure those, he knows more than us.
Rightio, there's a marvelous race. Thank you very much, everybody.